Hey everyone, it's Kelly. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make for you a family favorite. It's my version of taco soup. I have over the years taken about 10 different recipes and morphed it into my own. Now we as a family don't eat too much ground beef in the house. We substitute ground turkey for most of it. So I'm using ground turkey, but you can use whatever meat you want, ground beef, venison, whatever. And this recipe calls for 2 pounds of ground turkey. And I did buy a 3-pound one, so I'm just gonna freeze the other pound and save it for another day. So the recipe calls for 2 pounds of ground turkey. Now you cook that and drain that and add that to the crock pot. 2 cups of chopped onion, 2.25 ounce cans of sliced olives, 1 15-ounce can of whole kernel corn. I couldn't find the one with salt, so I got the no salt. 2 cans of 15 ounces of black beans. Rinse these and drain these very well until all the dark color runs out of them. 2 cans of 15 ounces of pinto beans. Do the same with these. Rinse them and drain them very well. And then I add 1 tablespoon of diced jalapeno peppers. You can hear my dog drinking in the background. 2 4-ounce cans of fire roasted diced green chilies. Then a 1/2 cup of chopped green olives. I just get these and chop them up on a cutting board. And then 1 14.5-ounce can of petite diced tomatoes. And then 1 28-ounce can of Rotel. You could do the mild, I do the original. And then the secret ingredient, this is my sister's secret ingredient actually, is you take 1 of these chipotle peppers, take it out that's in the adobo sauce, and you chop it up, just 1, and it will flavor your whole pot. It will make it the most delicious taco soup ever. So I'm gonna go ahead and cook this meat up, chop up the onions and get everything ready, and then I will get back with you when I go to put it together. And 2 more things I forgot, sorry about that, is 1 ounce package of Hidden Valley Original Ranch salad dressing and seasoning mix. I got the spicy ranch because it adds a little more flavor to it. And 1 package of taco seasoning mix. Okay, so I cooked and drained my ground turkey, the 2 pounds, and then I already chopped up my onions and put it in, and boy, my eyes are burning. So now I'm gonna add 1 package. They're still burning, just standing over here. Oh, the taco seasoning. You can use any kind, Old El Paso or whatever you want. These onions are wicked. And then 1 package of the ranch. And then I'm gonna do a big can of the Rotel, just to kind of stir this up. Maybe it'll calm down the burning of the onions. And then did 1 of the chipotle peppers in the adobo, and trust me when I say 1 is enough. So I chopped it up. Just kind of spread it throughout. This will give that smoked flavor to the taco soup you will love. And then a 1/2 cup of the chopped green onions. The 2 cans of the sliced olives. Oh, I meant those were green olives, not onions. Sorry. And then the diced green chilies, 2 cans of them. We've got football on today. This is our football meal. And then a can of drained corn. The 4 cans of the beans. This is, oof. 1 tablespoon of the jalapenos. And then 1 can of the petite diced tomatoes. Now don't drain those, put those in with the juice and all. This is packed to the rim here. I'm gonna try and stir this up. Wow, I forgot how much this makes. Oh, that big onion, that didn't make it. Oh, those two. I used my little chopper for my onions. So I would say cook this on high for 3.5 to 4 hours. Don't lift the lid up at all, because when you lift it, as good as it smells, when you lift up the lid, it messes up the cooking time. So I think I pretty much got everything mixed up. Okay, so I will put this lid on, put it on high, and I will see you in 4 hours. And I also got, for toppings, I have some Fritos, the corn chips. I have sour cream, I have shredded cheddar, and you could put more jalapenos on it. You could, you know, avocado if you want, whatever you want. So I will check back with you in 4 hours. So it's been 3.5 hours. Oh, and here goes the, so it is done. This is one of the most delicious things you'll, let me get rid of this smoke. Okay. So yeah, you can do it 3.5 to 4 hours on high, or you can cook it on 8 hours on low, you know, whatever works better for you if you want to be at work all day or whatever. So here you just take a little bit, oh, put it in here. And then we move this out of the way. So I have that. Where's my dish towel? And I have a little bit of shredded cheddar on the top. I do a little, little spoonful. Okay, of spoonful of that, and then my secret ingredient, Fritos. And then you just kind of put some around. Get rid of that right there. And here you have the absolute best taco soup in the world. So thank you for watching, and why don't you subscribe to my channel and like that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. I'm doing 2 a week. I have another one planned for this week. Artichoke chicken slow cooker recipe over cheese tortellinis. It's going to be delicious. So stay tuned. I will be posting that in the middle of this week. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later.